Hello everyone, today 8th of August is around 37 degrees Celsius in London right now. That would be the highest temperature recorded for this year. Okay, we don't know rest of the days anyway, so I think it would be better if I have a handheld rechargeable fan. So I walked into the local wholesale, I get one of them. This is unbranded, Chinese. Okay, quite handy. So we're going to open up and check what is in there. Okay, so first of all, we're going to focus into the box. As you can see, there is such a great sentence: life needs a thankful heart to create. Okay, that's such a lovely message to everybody. And there's the picture of the fan. Okay, and there is some indicators like the switch should be here and input on and off. Okay, that's really fine. And this is the indicator, and there's the specification. This is portable phone series. It takes DC 5 volt and output is it consumes 3 to 7 volt, and the only 123 gram. Okay, I don't see any proper brand name. Okay, and also there are some kinds of such a potential warning, hazard warning. Okay, so not suitable for under 3 years, of course. If less than 3 years, less than 10, then must be supervised by the guardian. Okay, so now we're going to open up and check what is in there. Okay, there is another message. As you can see, you'll have these forever. Okay, that's really good. So now let's open it up and check. Okay, so this is the white color, and there are other components. This is rechargeable battery, quite firm and strong and heavy sealed, so that would be safe for high temperature, I mean the weather. And this is the USB cable, micro USB cable comes with it, and that is the actual caddy, I mean the holder. Okay, let's find out if there is something else. Okay, no, nothing. All right, good. Okay, so now we're going to check. We're going to open it up and put this battery. That is positive, as you can see, little bit live embossed, and this side is negative. So negative goes to the spring and positive that way, and close like that. Just push it. Okay, okay, so that is the actual switch. Quite interesting. If you see, that is kind of apple shape. Okay, not exactly like Apple brand, but similar to it. And in this side, this is the indicator. So when you turn on, example, you can see the light. So there are 3 settings. One we did already. This is the second highest, and that is the third one. So let's feel it. Okay, so this is the highest. Quite nice. Okay, don't think this is a hair dryer. This is just a handheld fan to get some little extra cool breeze on your face and body. Okay, that's quite nice. But they didn't mention, like, if you put on 3 settings, the highest speed, how long it would last and how much time it takes to get the battery fully charged. But this is, quite basic one. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the standard phone charger, which is micro USB, and see how does it work. Okay, so here is the charge, and this is 2 amp, one of them. I'm going to plug in into it and see if there is any indication. Okay, as you can see, this is the red light flashing. Okay, so that means this is charging. Okay, and you can charge like that, or you can put it in there. Okay, this is the kind of holder. Okay, let's check if this one does work while it's charging, which is not ideal, but still, that's quite nice. So let's keep moving. Okay, so there is no any adjustable neck, you see, no any adjustable neck, so you must need to hold it if you want to tilt it little bit any different angle, so you must need to hold it. there is no way that you can do. Okay, there you go. Yes, you can little bit if you leave it like this, you see, like that. Okay, which is not ideal, you know, but still you can do it. Okay. I wish that was solid, but because of this is cheap plastic, you know. Let's check. Okay. Okay, the charge is completely gone because I did not charge it. Let me double check. Okay. So this is charging. It's quite cheapy one. No any plastic smell. It's fine. Okay. So if you do have one of them, let me know in the comment section. And if you do have the better one also, let the other people know that you got it. Okay, so that would be really useful for this weather. And that was a quick video. I just taught myself, let's do something else every day. Fixing computers, this and that, not good. So let's make a short review about this very cheapy Chinese handheld rechargeable fan. They do in many different colors. You can get one, you know, I go all of them white because I'm wearing white today. And I feel, but this is really not good idea if you take it to the beach and stuff like that, because of white color sometimes it's easy to lose, but if you have highlighted color easily you can recognize. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now and enjoy your weather. Thank you so much.